In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove tab stops in Google Docs. This is a helpful skill to master, especially if you've found yourself dealing with unwanted tab stops in your document. We're going to walk through the process step by step, ensuring that you can follow along easily and get those pesky tab stops removed in no time. Let's get started by opening up the Google Docs document you're working on. If you haven't done so already, simply navigate to Google Docs through your web browser and open the relevant document. Once you have your document open, it's important to identify the tab stops you wish to remove. These tab stops, as you might have noticed, are represented by small, subtle markers on the top ruler of your document. They determine where your text will jump to when you hit the tab key on your keyboard. So, if your text alignment isn't quite right, these markers could be the cause. The next thing you need to do is hover your mouse over the ruler at the top of the page, where these markers are visible. As you position the cursor over a tab stop, it should change to indicate that you can interact with it. If this isn't immediately obvious, try dragging your mouse slowly over the area until it changes. With the cursor now highlighting a tab stop, click and hold your mouse button down. To remove the tab stop, you'll need to drag it downward and off the ruler. As you drag it downwards, you should see the tab stop disappear. This might feel a tad fiddly at first, but with a bit of practice, you'll get the hang of it. Repeat this process for each tab stop you need to remove from your document. This method allows you to customize the spacing and alignment of your paragraphs more freely, giving you better control over how your document looks. Not only does it tidy up the formatting, but it also prevents text from jumping unexpectedly as you edit. Should you need to reintroduce tab stops at a later stage, simply click on the ruler where you would like a new tab stop to be, and one will appear. Experimenting with these features can be very helpful in mastering the tool and tailoring your document's layout to your satisfaction. And there you have it, a straightforward way to remove tab stops in Google Docs. By following these steps, you'll transform your document into something that's not only visually appealing, but also professionally formatted. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials like this one. Take care and see you in the next video.